So what are you, me and Caroline is in the kitchen cooking this morning, and we are batch and eating jerky. We are batch cooking breakfast. I got her on chaffle duty, and I'm on waffle duty right here. Are you ready? Yeah, eat your jerky. She's got to eat her some jerky this morning. I am going to put sweet potatoes and mashed bananas. Oh, I got them right here. All right. And then Sister Girl is going to put some shredded zucchini and squash in our chaffles along with our cheese. So are you ready to get going this morning? Are you my helper this morning?
Yeah.
With a mouthful of beef jerky. That's all right. That'll keep us going while we're on duty, okay? We're going to get these chaffles and waffles going, and we'll let you see what they look like halfway through the process. Say, we'll be back.
Well, right.
All right, let's see. I'm going to double this recipe, Caroline. So, I'm going to need... Make sure you make it in the bowl. This child has done like 36 eggs already. She's on the roll. Okay, so I'm going to double this recipe. So I've got 4 cups of flour, 1 2/3 cup milk. Where's all my measuring cups, Caroline? Let's see. Let me find all my measuring cups. I wasn't ready. Okay, that one. So I need 1 2/3. 1 2/3? Right. Whoa, wait a minute. I need 1 2/3 2 times. Because we're doubling this recipe. So there's 1 time, 2 times. It's a good thing G-Ma got some more milk the other day when we went grocery shopping, ain't it? Alright? 1 2/3 twice. Okay? We're going to pour that in yours because we're going to need that for the chaffles, okay? And we'll throw this away. Okay? Now, I'm going to double this recipe. I'm going to get it to going, and we'll bring you back. Okay? We need salt and pepper. That's good. How much pepper did you get? Let me see. Maybe just a little more pepper. I'll tell you when. Hold it with both hands. When? There you go. Good job. All right, now take your whisk and stir gently to break the egg yolks, okay? You remember how to whisk and break them? There you go.
We've done this before.
We have done this before. Okay? You keep whisking till all the eggs are broke up. Then we'll add the cheese, okay? Okay, Caroline's putting the cheese in the chaffles for us. Chaffles, if you don't know what they are, look them up. They're nothing but eggs and cheese, and you do them in a waffle maker. And I put a little bit of milk in mine just to make them a little fluffier. And you can put anything in chaffles you want to. Like I said, we got squash and zucchini in here, don't we, Caroline? Okay, open your bag. Can you get it? You need me to help?
I like it.
It's okay. It's all right. Here, pull it apart with your hands. Pull it apart with your hands like you're opening a bag of chips. There you go. Dump it in there. Very good. Now stir it up and let's see how much more we need. All right, we're going to keep testing this. I'm getting the waffles going. I need to put some sweet potatoes in here, and then I'm going to start mixing it. Okay, she thinks she wants to try to get them out of the waffle maker. We're going to be very gentle. Are you ready? I'm going to show you how. Take your tongs. Don't touch it with your hands. Follow G-Ma. Whoop. Hold on. We may have to get a fork. Hold it down. I'm pinching it. We're going to have to try something else, okay? But you know what? You were willing. You wasn't scared, was you? Was you? I may have to get a fork to go with these tongs. Let me get a fork, okay, sister? Don't touch it. I'm going to see if you can. Don't touch it. Let's be very gentle. I'm going to help her do this part because she's going to have to... Okay? We're going to set this right here. Yep. All right. Help me with the tongs. And we're going to lift with the fork. Grab with the tongs. We're going to do this together. Over to the plate. Look at there. Well, I needed to help you do it the first time to make sure you didn't burn yourself, okay? All right? We're going to show them how to get another batch going. I've got the camera right here. I'm fixing to go it over my phone. Maybe I won't drop. There you go, my phone. All right? We're going to add this in here. We added some Italian seasonings. I didn't drop that on my phone. I'm good. All right? We just put it on the waffle maker. We're going to close the lid. Let it do its thing. Caroline, are you ready to taste test?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's your ranch. Let me move this.
Cut it.
Cut it in half. All right, let's see.
What we just break it?
Yeah. Ooh, it's going to be warm, so you're going to have to blow on this, okay? So you have to make sure that, oh, see that cheese is ooey and gooey. It's going to be hot. Okay, I'm trying to blow on it for you. We're going to taste test these. You did a very good job. Don't lean over the stool. You don't want to fall over.
I did it all by my face.
See, you raise capable kids and they're excited. All right, dip it in your ranch, but be gentle when you put it in your mouth, okay? Is that okay for you? If it's hot, set it down. We'll try again in a minute. Dip it in. Is it okay? You want to try some of my hot sauce? You think you're going to be brave? You can try a itty bitty bit. Lick it to see if you like it.
Hot.
Hot? Okay. Hot. All right. You dip your ranch. It's not hot? You want to dip it again? Blow before you take a bite, okay? I don't want you to burn your lip, okay? We're getting the first ones because we haven't had breakfast. We're making breakfast and multitasking at the same time.
Yeah.
Don't cough over the food, okay? We're trying to get rid of...
We're getting rid of the coughs.
We're getting rid of the coughs. Our schools have been closed because flu and RSV hit all these kids and teachers. Whoa, and teachers. So we're getting over it. Is that good? Is it hot? Kind of tangy? It's different, ain't it? So we are batch cooking so we can have some in the freezer for quick breakfasts in the mornings, but nutritious. And we are having fun and making memories. And what else? We're multitasking. We're eating breakfast at the same time. So there you go.
And I'm eating Jimbo's
Shopping. Oh yeah, you know what? I just threw some things together to make that sauce. Good? See how thick these are? I have two waffle makers. I have the Belgian and I have a little flat one. We're going down. And a little flat one. My square waffle maker makes thin waffles. It doesn't do right. So I use the Belgian and we like the big thick. Yeah, we do. Is that good? We are going to get these chaffles done. Then we're going to start on the waffles. After each batch, I take them out of the waffle maker. We're going to talk with our hands, talking hands here. We're going to take them out. of the waffle maker. We're going down again, Caroline. My phone is slipping. We're going to talk quick before we start going down. Okay? After each one, I put it on a plate, let them all cool off. Then we put them in Ziploc bags. You can put each section in between a napkin to where that way they don't stick together, but I've never had that problem. So we just let them cool, and then I just stack them in a Ziploc bag, get the air out of it, throw them in the freezer. When it's time to eat breakfast, we take them out, hit them in the microwave a few minutes, or you can warm them up in the toaster or your air fryer. Easy peasy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. We're going to get all the chaffles made. Then I will bring y'all back. I'm going to get waffles going. I got a big old bowl of batter over there. So we're going to get the chaffles done first. After we lick our fingers a little. We're cooking these for us. It's okay. We're not cooking in a restaurant or for other people. So there you go. All right. Look at them fluffing up, Caroline. Woo, look how puffy. Let me let y'all look at this. Look how puffy they're getting. Look at there. All right, we're going to close the lid. Let them do some more. We're just having fun in the kitchen this morning. Make memories with your kids. Get in the kitchen and play. Teach them. Raise capable kids. We'll start the waffles next. When I get done with all of them cooking, I'll show you what I do next. We're going to eat some more breakfast. We'll bring you back. And sometimes you lose your help to a good book or two. Sometimes you just got to let them take a break and get the wiggles out and play. Okay. I got them all cut apart with a pizza cutter. Still got just a little bit more to go. I got them apart with a pizza cutter, and then I'm just letting them cool up under our ceiling fan. Then I'll just start stacking them in this Ziploc bag, and then we'll start the waffles. Okay, y'all, this is what they look like after I've got them all done. This is 2 gallon Ziploc bags of waffles. Well, 1 3/4. We've been eating some. So 1 3/4 gallon Ziploc bags of waffles. And then I've got 1 3/4 bags of chaffles. We've been eating on some of them too. So we had breakfast this morning, and y'all, $20 I probably spent at the most. And I have almost, I'm going to say about almost 3 weeks worth of breakfasts for every morning. Okay, that's not bad for $20, y'all. And it depends. This may last us 4 months. Okay, so for a little money that you can spend on staples like eggs, milk, flour, you get more out of those things to make other things with. Does that make any sense? See, from scratch cooking can pay off. Okay, if I was to go and get Eggo waffles in a box, sure, they're already done. Sure, they're convenient. They are fast. I am not knocking Eggo waffles, because believe it or not, I have got some before just for a quick, easy morning thing when I didn't have something on hand. Okay, so I'm not knocking them, but there's a big price difference, y'all. For that box that I paid for 8 square waffles, and me and my husband eating them, 2 waffles every morning, that was only 4 mornings. Y'all, I spent almost $6 now with inflation, $7 just on a box of 8 waffles. That's just kind of tight, y'all. So I spent almost $20, and I made almost 3 weeks worth of breakfast. And this may last us 4 months. Just depends on who eats it every morning and whatever. If it's just my granddaughters, this is going to last about a month, okay? Well, this is going to last a month if it's just them eating it. 2 chaffles every morning, a waffle every morning. This is going to last me probably more than a month if it's just them eating it. But if we dig into them, 3 weeks, $20, y'all. And I've got almost 3 weeks to a month worth of breakfast. Do the math, y'all. If you can, please try to take the time to make things from scratch. You'll save more money. It's healthier, okay? There you go. I did the math for you. So we are done. I'm letting these still cool off just a little bit. I've got them all bagged. Fixing to put them in the freezer. There you go. All right. Y'all have seen our chaffles and our waffles. Y'all seen how we do this. We've made memories this morning. We've ate breakfast. We've had fun. Now we're going to take a break. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. She is wanting to do some school. I have been with them ever since the day they were born, and I have taught them ever since they were little. I love teaching toddlers, babies, preschoolers till they go to kindergarten. With my 2 boys, we homeschooled, and I homeschooled them up until the 7th grade. So I'm no stranger to teaching. I've got plenty of stuff. This is homeschooling video is a video that's going to be coming up in the future. My glasses are glaring. I'm sorry. I will be having a homeschooling video coming up in the future for y'all, because it's laid on my heart. There are so many people that are wanting to get started homeschooling, just don't know how, because they just don't like the way things are headed these days. And, you can't say too much, if you know what I mean, listeners, okay? So many people have reached out to me, friends, family, YouTube subscribers, blog readers. So many people have reached out to me. How did you get started? How did you do it? What do I need to know? So I have been compelled. I'm going to do a homeschooling video in the future. I will have to get all my resources together and work really hard on it to put it together for y'all. I will show y'all my materials. I'll show you everything. But right now, she is wanting to get some school started. And we're taking a break. We've got done with all of our work. Now it's playtime and school time. She loves these binders. They are wonderful. This is just some of the resources that I will show y'all that I've put together. I have a whole closet full. I have a whole cabinet full of resources, a filing cabinet. Yeah, I just dug out some books last night from my granddaughter. She's in kindergarten, and I dug out some books last night that was her daddy's and her Uncle Dallas's from kindergarten, where I taught them how to read. She sat here last night. She sounded out every word. She was so proud of herself. But we're done for the day. We are tired. It's almost nap time, and we're going to do some school. We're going to read some books. Sometimes you just have to work before you can play. Then you play, and you pay them babies some attention. Okay? There's balance in life with kids, okay? I promise. Homeschooling video will be in the future. I've got a lot coming up for y'all in the future, okay? And I'm going to be working on those really hard for y'all, okay? I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Get your kids in the kitchen. Raise capable kids. Teach them some things. Have fun. Make memories. They're going to look back on these days and say, I remember getting in the kitchen. There you go. When they leave your nest, they're going to know how to take care of themselves. Okay? See y'all. God bless.